are you today?
Just the usual. How about you?
Nothing too exciting, just work and life.
Same here. Nothing new.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little.
How do you spell your name?
It's spelled Taylor.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, I'll speak more slowly.
What's your job?
I'm a driver.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
What is your phone number?
My number is 5 to 5, 5 to 1, 2 to 3, 4.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have twin sons.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time visiting.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Matrix.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually relax and watch TV.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can I park my car here?
Yes, you can park here.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on your receipt.
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Is it close to here?
Yes, it's just a short walk away.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Yes, I love Friends.
How often do you go to the supermarket?
I go once a week.
Can I use your phone for a minute?
Sure, here you go.
Is that your phone ringing?
I think it's Mark's.
What do you do in your free time?
I like walking in the park.
Why can't I go?
You were not invited.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jessica.
Can you give me a discount?
Sorry, the prices are fixed.
I'm feeling sick.
I hope you get well soon.
Thanks. I think I just need some rest.
Yeah, take care and get some rest.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Here's my boarding pass.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it at the ticket booth.
How much is the ticket?
It's $15.
Good luck with your presentation.
Thanks. Fingers crossed.
Do you need any help?
Yes, I need help with these boxes.
Shall we dance?
Maybe later.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have an SUV.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I love watching tennis.
What time does the bank open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
What are you doing right now?
I'm studying English.
What does it mean?
It doesn't mean anything.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I prefer cold drinks.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym twice a week.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure. I said, turn left at the corner.
Are you ready to order?
I would like to order a salad, please.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Enjoy your meal.
Looks delicious. Thanks.
Which option do you prefer?
I prefer the first option.
How did you do that?
I followed the instructions.
How do I use this machine?
Press the green button to start.
Can I make an appointment for tomorrow?
Yes, we have availability at 2 p.m.
Can you send me the details?
Yes, I'll email them to you.
What's your email address?
It's taylor@example.com.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the next corner.
Do you like winter?
No, I prefer summer.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like pineapple.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Italian restaurants.
Which color do you think is better?
I think you should choose red.
Can I reserve a table for tonight?
Yes. What time would you like?
Can I have the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have several.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure, here it is.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Go straight and then turn left.
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Yes. I'll bring it right away.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
What is the best way to contact you?
You can email me.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
What is your favorite subject?
I like math.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go to the mall.
Do you need anything from the grocery store?
Yes, I need some milk.
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Maybe let me check my schedule.
Okay, take your time.
Looks like I'm available. What time works for you?
All good. Let's meet at 4 p.m.
Let's do it.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. Enjoy your day.